Forrest got into college thanks to his running talent and even graduated his first college degree ever. Jenny was in a college just for girls with him during that time. Jenny wanted to make a name for herself and had some photos taken. Later, she was expelled from school. He her Forrest learned news from a magazine and headed to a bar to find Jenny. At the bar, Jenny was being harassed by some guys. Forrest stepped in and fought them off. But Jenny got upset with him. She told him to run away instead of rushing into a danger and trying to be brave. Shortly after that, Forrest was sent to Vienna